struggling to find the right tool to manage your projects? In this video, I break down the 5 main types of project management platforms. Plus, I'll share 6 must-ask questions to help you choose the one that will fit your unique needs. Whether you thrive on checking off lists, connecting ideas, or keeping your team aligned, this guide will transform the way that you work. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Dr. Katie Linder, a certified project manager, change manager, and coach, working full-time leading and supporting teams in higher education. On this channel, I offer real-world examples of how project management translates into the higher ed environment. If you're looking for ways to use project management tools and skills, both professionally and personally, to bring more ease to your work and life, you're in the right place. Now let's talk about the 5 main types of project management platforms and which one might be the best fit for you. Each platform type is designed to cater to different project needs and motivations, so understanding their strengths can help you to choose the best one for your goals. First, list-based platforms focus on task management, often tied to dates and calendaring. These tools are perfect for individuals or teams who are motivated by the satisfaction of checking things off a list. For instance, if you're a professor preparing for a new semester, you could use a tool like ClickUp to create a checklist for syllabus updates, lecture plans, and grading rubrics, assigning due dates to ensure everything is ready on time. A second type of platform are database or relationship-based. These are perfect for knowledge management, where the goal is to connect seemingly disparate ideas or concepts. They're ideal for users motivated by organizing and integrating information into a cohesive system. For example, an administrator overseeing multiple initiatives might use a tool like Notion to link meeting notes, strategic plans, and budgeting documents, creating a central hub where related data is easily accessible. Process-based project management tools are a third type of platform, and they focus on ongoing workflows and connect well with Agile project management principles. Agile project management principles focus on flexibility, collaboration, and continuous improvement. They emphasize breaking projects into smaller, manageable tasks, regularly reviewing progress, and adapting plans to meet changing needs and priorities. Process-based project management tools that align well with Agile project management principles are great for those motivated by visual progress and the movement of tasks through stages. For example, a research team could use Trello, which is based on the concept of a Kanban board, to manage the revisions of an article. They might have columns for not started, in progress, and completed that provide a clear visual of where each task stands. A Kanban board is a visual tool for organizing and tracking tasks or projects as they move through different stages, such as to do, in progress, and done. It helps teams and individuals manage workflows, prioritize tasks, and stay focused on progress. A fourth type of platform are those that are collaboration-based, and these platforms prioritize communication and keeping a team aligned and productive. They're perfect for projects where collaboration is key. For example, a planning committee organizing a campus-wide event might use something like Basecamp or Monday.com to centralize discussions, share files, and keep all team members updated on progress. Now, the fifth type of tool is a kind of combination platform. These offer flexibility by combining features from other categories. Asana, for example, allows users to create lists, build calendars, connect tasks and projects through rules and automations, create Kanban boards, and facilitate team collaboration. A department chair managing multiple projects, like faculty hiring, accreditation, and student outreach, might use a combo platform like this to track each initiative's progress and keep everything organized in one place. Based on these descriptions, it might be obvious which tool would work best for your projects, but just in case you need a little more clarity, here are 6 reflective questions that can help you to select the right project management platform for you. The first question is, what motivates you? Are you driven by lists, connections, visual progress, effective communication, or a combination of these things? The second question is, what are your current project pain points? For example, do you struggle with staying on top of tasks? You might want a task management platform that focuses on lists and deadlines. Is finding project information a challenge? You might want a knowledge management focused platform that focuses on database and relationship-based connections. Do you need to keep a pipeline moving? That would mean you might want to look at a platform that allows for ongoing workflows and is more process-oriented. Are you focused on staying organized with others? That might mean you want a platform with more communication management. And if you just can't narrow it down and you're juggling multiple projects and need flexibility, the combo solution is probably for you. The third reflective question is the platform just for you, or is it for you and others? If it's for a team, consider tools that prioritize collaboration and shared access. The fourth question to ask yourself is what integrations would be helpful? For example, does the platform need to integrate with your calendar, email, or other tools that you use regularly? The fifth question is what features or functionalities are important? Do you need color coding, recurring tasks, automations, or mobile access? What are the deal breakers that would make you either choose or not choose a particular tool? And finally, you'll want to ask, what's your budget for the tool? Many platforms offer free versions, but premium features might come at a cost. You'll want to determine how much you're willing to invest. By asking these 6 questions, you'll be able to at least narrow down the choices of what you might want to consider with existing project management tools. I'll also drop links to a bunch of different project management tools into the notes below this video to help with your exploration. And remember, the best platform isn't about having the most features. It's about finding one that aligns with your workflow, your specific project needs, and that keeps you motivated. If you found this tool guide to be helpful, leave a comment below to share what kind of project platform most resonates with you. And don't forget to subscribe to see future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.